Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Shopify theme to GitHub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, which is your main hub for managing your online store. From the Shopify homepage, navigate to the section labeled Online Store on the left-hand menu, and you'll be taken to your theme management page. Once there, locate the Themes tab where you'll see all the themes currently in your store, including published and unpublished ones. In the Theme library, click on the Import Theme button. This option allows you to bring in new themes from the Shopify theme store or external sources. For our purpose, you'll select the option to connect from GitHub. Once clicked, a dialog box will appear asking for your GitHub credentials. If you're already logged in on your device, Shopify may skip this step. Otherwise, enter your GitHub username and password to continue. After logging in, Shopify will request permission to access your GitHub repositories. This is necessary for fetching theme files directly. Grant the permissions, and you'll then be able to choose the specific repository where your theme is stored. Select the correct repository, and Shopify will begin syncing your theme files into its system. And just like that, you've connected your Shopify theme to GitHub. And that's it. So that is how you can connect Shopify theme to GitHub. So that's all for this video. Thanks.